Hi, I'm Jason Stahl. Are you getting paid for all the items you use on a repair? Would you like to recover the cost of all the items that belong on a repair order? How can you easily track and charge out all of the items on an RO? We're going to find out next. Most consumable non-OEM shop supplies aren't standard in estimating programs, so they're often overlooked and not added on the repair orders. Not invoicing for these items on an RO cuts into your shop's profitability. Here's where Kent Automotive's cost recovery program can help with the Pros Profit Enhancement and Inventory Manager tool. Pros is a value-added cloud-based cost recovery tool that allows shops to track and charge applicable parts and material used on each repair order. Items such as body clips, rivets, seam sealers, adhesives, and sound deadener pads. The Pros database has thousands of supplies and ensures accurate, detailed job costing. Pros is extremely easy to use. There's no setup cost or monthly fees. With Pros, many collision centers set a goal to recover at least 1% of their overall gross sales, and some do much more. Think of what that could mean for your operation. If a shop writes 65 ROs a month at an average charge of $3,500, you're recovering nearly $2,300 a month or more than $27,000 annually. And just like that, you turn a cost center into a profit center. Pros integrates with top estimating programs. Like the thousands of Pros users, you'll be pleased profiting off of what was once an expense. And that's not all you can do to manage costs. Here are 3 ways to be even more efficient. Body hardware, seam sealer, and electrical setups ensure parts are organized. Kent reps help ensure the right amount of inventory is stocked from a catalog of 140,000 supplies, so techs always have the right item at the right time. Pros even allows you to charge out non-Kent items, such as Freon and radiator coolant. Combined with the Kent Reps inventory management services and the Pros tool, your shop will be more efficient and profitable. The Pros Profit Enhancement tool from Kent allows you to be reimbursed for all the products associated with vehicle repair. Kent Automotive is your partner in profitability. To learn more about Pros, visit kent-automotive.com/services/pros or email pros@kent-automotive.com. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.